Hello dear students, once again I welcome to my YouTube channel tutorial English class. Dear students, very good morning to you all of you. And today we shall study about the third class, and today will be my third class. And in the previous classes we have studied about alphabet, vowel, consonant, and sentence. We have read about sentence very clearly, but today we shall study about kinds of sentence, how many kinds of sentence in English grammar. So I hope that you will be ready with taking the pen and copy with me. And so without making any delay, so I start my third class. Pay attention. Just kinds of sentence. Yes, guys, kinds of sentence. Today our class will be over kinds of sentence. Yes, kinds of sentence. So, how many kinds of sentence? First of all, look at these sentences. Look at these sentences. Look at these sentences. Yes. इन वाक्यों को देखो. हम जो ये वाक्य लिख रहे हैं, जरा इस वाक्य पर आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि किस टाइप के वाक्य बन रहे हैं, ये क्या हो रहे हैं. गाइस, इसके पहले हम समझ चुके हैं कि सेंटेंस किसे कहते हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफिनेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश. यू have known that sentence is a group of words. When we speak any word, that is called a group of words, and that is made a sentence or our thought. Our thought is expresses as the kind of a sentence. तो इस तरह से हम हमारे जो विचार होते हैं, जो हमारी भावनाएं होती हैं, जो हम किसी के सामने व्यक्त करते हैं, शब्दों का समूह बोलते हैं, उसे वाक्य कहते हैं. सो गाइस, पे अटेंशन ओवर दिस स्टेटमेंट्स. Just I keep my room clearly. I keep my room clearly, or you can say I keep my room clean. Yes, I keep my room क्लीन. मैं अपने कमरे को स्वच्छ या साफ सुथरा रखता हूँ. द बस हैज अराइव्ड लेट. द बस हैज अराइव्ड लेट. बस शीघ्र ही आ चुकी है. यस गाइस, शीघ्र ही आ चुकी है. स्टेटमेंट, और यू कैन से स्टेटमेंट, और असर्शन, स्टेटमेंट और असर्शन. स्टेटमेंट और असर्शन. एंड सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ सी. यू कैन राइट इट एंड लुक इट. विल you help me? Will you help me? Just question. Or you can say, what have they eaten? What have they eaten? Yes guys, what have they eaten? So these are also the question. Eat. What have? Be quiet. Be quiet. Have a mercy upon us. Have a mercy upon us. So be quiet, have a mercy upon us. So this kind of the sentence belongs to, yes, order, plus request. Order plus request. And in G, may you live long. May you live long. H, yes, may you live long. You can say wish. Wish. May you live long. Wish. The sentence is start from may. Yes. And what a wonderful, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful day today. Yes, day today. What a wonderful day today. Yes, this is called surprise. Surprise. So guys, noted it down. Just very soon. I keep my room clean. The bus arrived late. Will you help me? What have they eaten? Be quiet. Have mercy upon us. May you live long. What a wonderful day today. Surprise. So these statements expressed different kind of the feelings and different kind of the emotions. So according to the meaning and sense, there are the sentence is five kinds. Just we can narrate it or we can look it just as a one and two and three, yes, 4 and 5. So according to these statements, we can analysis the sentence are five sorts. The sentence are five sorts or the sentence are five kind. Yes. So we can say on the basis of meaning and sense there are five kinds of sentence. तो इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं कि अर्थ और भाव के अनुसार वाक्य के पांच प्रकार होते हैं और इन पांचों को हम बारी बारी से अब लिखेंगे. Thanks guys. Note it down very soon. Just I keep aside and just I move aside. Note it down very soon. Then I will clean blackboard. Yes. Yes guys. Note it. Yes. Yes.